You guys, it's Mr. Meal's 4th birthday today. So we are going to be baking him some PUPcakes. I'm basically Betty Crocker. Yeah! Get into it. Oh, that could have been bad. Oh my gosh. Actually, I'm like killing this. Oh. It looks like a turd, which is appropriate because he loves turds. Right, Mr. Meal? Hi, present day Adria here, editing this video. I thought it was a good idea to set up 2 cameras, one for TikTok that's vertical and another for YouTube that's horizontal. And instead of that working out as I had hoped, my eyes are darting between 2 cameras the entire time and it's so chaotic. But honestly, what else would you expect from me? So I'm too lazy to refilm the video, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. I'm sorry. Enjoy. Okay, this is a cake mix from Bocce's Bakery. Bocce's Bakery? It seems like a pretty decent recipe. I mean, it says it's made with simple ingredients, but Mr. Meal is a garbage can, so he really can eat anything. I'm pretty grateful for that. He's got an iron stomach. I hope I didn't just jinx it. You ready, Mr. Meal?
You were born ready.
So they actually sent me this a while ago in like a PR package, but I'm just making it now because it's his birthday. Okay, we're only gonna make half of this because Mr. Meal doesn't need an entire cake to himself. He just oinked at me.
How dare you speak to me in that tone, Mr. Meal?
I'm like really bad at baking. I'm much better at cooking because I like to measure things with my heart, but I know that baking is a little more scientific. Ooh. Okay, this actually smells pretty good. Can I eat this too? Okay, we'll save the other half for next year. Half a cup of water. I only have a 1/4 cup, so we have to take 2 trips. Oh, spills. Okay, actually it's half a cup plus a teaspoon of water. All right. Oh shoot, I halved the recipe. See, this is why I'm terrible at baking. I can't do math. You know what? We're just gonna make the whole box. It's fine. There we go. Off to a rocky start. Let's see if we can redeem ourselves. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I bought this Costco size olive oil like 2 weeks ago. It's like halfway done. I mow through olive oil. It's basically my blood. I think this is a tablespoon. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Okay, low key, this kind of smells delicious. There's nothing in this that can hurt me, right? Okay, we'll reassess once it comes out of the oven. Okay, now I have to mix. Here's our ingredients. Squish. Mr. Meal is turning 4 years old today. Technically, you're older than me in dog years. Can't get it off the whisk. I'm gonna use my hands. Like I'm cooking for a dog. Food safety is a non-issue. Do a little whiskey whisk. Delicious! So I like to use these silicone muffin tin liners. I regularly make myself blueberry muffins. It's kind of like my fixation breakfast. So I just keep these on hand and it's super nice because they're reusable. See, I made blueberry muffins already for breakfast. I'm basically Betty Crocker. Yeah! This needs to be greased. Oh no. I need hand spray. This isn't my house. I'm breaking and entering. I'm just kidding. It's a vacation rental. I don't know where anything is though. Oh! Okay, gonna spray, stay. I almost licked this. Whew, bad habits. Yeah. Oh no, oh no. Get into it. Okay, now that we've got our 2 little PUPcakes, I'm gonna put them in our little muffin tin thingy. Also reusable, well duh, a muffin tin is reusable. Ignore me. Okay, plop. Beautiful. Okay, so these guys are going to bake for 25 to 28 minutes at 350. Okay, let's put them into the oven. And now we're going to make the pup-friendly frosting. It sounds a little questionable, but I'm sure that he'll love it. It's made from potatoes, Greek yogurt, and beet juice. All right, let's give it a go. So first we need to boil the potatoes, cube them. I feel like I'm gonna peel them. I feel like it's weird if there's like potato skin in your frosting. I don't know. A little bit about Mr. Meal. I got him in October of 2019. I believe that I was just a year out of college and he is like the first dog that's ever been like my dog. And the first day that Mr. Meal came home with me, I lived in a house with a bunch of roommates and we were having a Friendsgiving. And so he had one hell of a welcoming home party and he was just the mellowest little dude. I actually thought he had parvo for quite a while when he was a puppy because he was so freaking chill. Turns out he's just freaking lazy. And I love that about him. But what's cool is that he can like get hype when you need him to. Like if you put him near a body of water, that man is like Michael Phelps. But at other hours of the day, he just sleeps, just chills. He's very lazy. Anyways, so first day I brought him home. He's getting along with everyone. Everything's going great. We go to eat dinner. I'm sitting outside with him. He walks over to the potty patch to go potty. And I'm like, what a good boy. He's only a few weeks old. And he is already knows where to go potty. That's incredible. So he takes a number 2. Great. Loved watching that while I'm eating Thanksgiving dinner. He turns around and eats it. I was like, oh, wow, I didn't know that was a thing. So yeah, he had a poo eating problem for quite some time. I tried everything to get him to stop. I tried putting meat tenderizer in his food. I would follow him out to the potty patch and put hot sauce on his turds so that when he went to go eat them, they were spicy. Nothing deterred him. If anything, I think he acquired a taste for spicy turds. Over time, he's grown out of it, luckily. But every once in a while, I will catch him mowing down a turd in the yard, and I'm just like, really, dude? And I was like, is it his diet? Am I not feeding him something? No, the man just likes turds. The man likes what he likes. He's a weird guy, but I'm also weird, so I think that we're like a match made in weirdness. Okay, now we've peeled our titties. Clean up this mess. I make such a mess when I cook. It's like a problem. Okay, now we are going to cube the potatoes. I love the smell of potatoes. Like, I forget how much I love the smell of like a good raw potato. I don't know. Okay, potatoes, chopped. Let's boil them. Oh, that could have been bad. Hot potato, hot potato. Ah! This is not the most efficient way to do this. Okay, we're gonna save these. Maybe I'll make mashed potatoes or something for myself later. Okay, so now the cake is baking and the potatoes are boiling. We are well on our way to having a really weird dessert. Now we're gonna make the frosting. So this is a very interesting combination of Greek yogurt, beet juice, potatoes, and flour. Yum. So we need ½ cup of Greek yogurt. Start with a little, we can add more. Delish. Meal, we'll come lick the spoon. That's what I thought. Okay, now we add beet juice. I only need a tablespoon, but now I'm stuck with this big jug of beet juice. Oh wow, it's very pigmented. Yum. It literally looks like blood. Last ingredient, flour. Do it Salt Bae style. Okay, now we blend it up.
Thank you for your cleaning services, Mr. Meal. You're the best. Time to take them out of the oven. Ooh, what do you think, bud?
Let's frost these bad boys. I'm gonna do my best to make this fancy, which I know is just gonna result in a gigantic mess. So I'm gonna scoop the frosting into a bag and cut a little tip off, you know, like a baker. Okay, the color of this frosting is actually like really pretty. Like it's a light pink. Big fan. Go beet juice. Beet juice for the win. Oh no, the birthday candles. It does smell pretty earthy though. I will say that. Beautiful. Oh, actually, this is working better than expected. I have no technique. Oh my gosh, actually, I'm like killing this. Oh, the top is kind of funny. Let's fill in the sides. Okay, low key, actually, no, high key, this is looking bussin'. Oh no, now see, what I do is like, I do it good a little bit and then I'm like, let me do it some more. And then I end up with, it looks like a turd, which is appropriate because he loves turds. Right, Mr. Meal? Okay, cupcake number 1. Oh, these are tall. These are so freaking cute. Look at my little dog cupcakes. These are so freaking cute. We got a little 4 candle put on top whenever we're ready. Oh, I'm obsessed. They're definitely homemade, but like, I feel like that's what makes them so adorable. Oh, I'm gonna garnish them with like little treats. Ah, so cute. We'll put 4 treats on each because that's how many you are. You're this many, right? You can't count. Actually, I wouldn't be surprised if you could. These are adorable. I did a great job, if I do say so myself. You ready to try them, Mr. Meal?
Not yet. Gotta get the shots first, Mr. Meal. You know the deal. There you go. Good boy. Oh, is it yummy? Yeah, I think I'm good. Oh, wow, you mowed through that. Oh, you're taking it. Wow, you made an absolute disaster. I wouldn't expect anything less from you. Happy 4th birthday, Mr. Meal.